Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So the Ethereum chart is one that I pay very close attention to at the moment, because Ethereum is currently, there are a few options here for Ethereum, right? So currently no change in the overall wave count. Still see this here as the end of the wave 4 and the wave E of this triangle at around $2023. So I'll put that on the chart because this would be invalidation point for the overall triangle pattern, and at the moment we are still below that, obviously. So there's a few options here now. Ethereum came down in a wave 1, impulse down, and is now moving up in a wave 2, corrective wave. Yeah, there's a few things that would confirm that, so we can count this overall move up at the moment as a 3-wave move, A, B, C. Yeah, so we've got a wave A here. There's a leading diagonal in this with a few overlaps. Then we have a 3-wave move here that you can see in a wave B. Very clear 3-wave move, A, B, C in a wave B. And then we are moving higher now in a wave C. A wave C is an impulsive wave. So from the low, we can also label this, just to show you that. From here, from that wave B low, we can understand this as a wave 1, a wave 2. We might now be in the wave 3, coming currently down in a wave 4, maybe, yeah. And the wave 5 would then end this wave 2 in yellow, after which I would primarily still expect a move down. You know, that is what you have to do in TA. You can only systematically approach it from that point of view. If you're still in a downtrend, if you're still in that overall wave, a corrective wave like the wave 2 here at the moment, you still have to expect until it's invalidated that it will work out. Yeah, so just without emotion, because I see always in the comments a lot of people get emotional again just because the price is going up again, which is actually good, but it takes longer then to finish the overall correction off. So but anyway, move up in this wave 2 now, which is a corrective wave, after which we would expect the wave 3 to the downside. Now, where are we now with this wave, with this current wave, in which we currently are? Let's just take the Fibonacci extension levels and see this current wave, wave 3 of wave 2. Let's see where that would need to get to. Has that already reached the 1.618 Fib extension? And yes, absolutely, it did reach it, and it found resistance here somewhere between the 200% and the 2.382 Fib extension. So for a wave 3 all reached. Maybe in the wave 3 it could even move now to the 2.618 Fib extension at $1,937, because that is normally when the 1.618 is reached. You would look for the next main Fib target, which would be in this case for a wave 3, the 2.618 Fib extension. But this is really not that important. What is really important is to look at this level at $2,023. Yeah, because at the moment, as long as we are below this, for me this is just a wave 2. So we can also look at the Fibonacci retracement level. So how much is actually that wave 2 currently retracing? And let me just see how how accurate we are with that. We want to be fairly accurate. So here we have now reached the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, and a wave 2 can even move higher. So here for a wave 2, generally you can expect a 1954 level, that's 78.6% Fib level at 1954, and maybe even 1986 in an extreme case. That would be the 88.7% Fib level. If it doesn't turn around here and really moves all the way up to $2,023, then, and if it breaks that, then this is not an impulse down anymore. Then we need to look at two possibilities. Has the overall downtrend for Ethereum already ended? Has it already ended down here, where I currently have labeled the wave 1 low? So was this then, which is slightly lower, the actual low of the entire downtrend? And was all of this just a 1, 2? and we're now starting an uptrend. We can look at that possibly above $2,023. I would still not see this as very likely though, because of the structure of the chart. What I would rather prefer then is that similar to Bitcoin, that the wave 4 hasn't ended yet, and that the wave 4 still has space to retrace further to the upside, and that we could get something really, really painful. Yeah, something really painful where we had here in this wave 4 a wave A, a wave B down, and a wave C to the upside that could peak, go a bit higher. And I can already give you price targets for this wave 4 in the scenario that we actually break above $2,023. But yeah, let's take a look. And for that, we can take the Fibonacci retracement levels, and we look at the retracement from this wave 4, and an ideal level for the overall for this overall correction of the wave 4 would be similar to Bitcoin here between $2,264 and $2,436. That would be between the 38.2% fib level and the 50%. Can it go higher? Yes, it could. It could theoretically even move all the way up to $2,800, the 78.6% fib level, which would be the wave 1 low. Does it go there, and is it still a wave 4? I don't think so. Seriously, above the 50% fib level, we might look at other options. Yeah, but for now, I think this would be the most likely case. Maybe I would even extend it here to the 61.8, and unfortunately, this could be quite a long move up. From another point of view, we can also measure the target here from the other way around, looking at the wave C length that we would then have. We would look at $2,521 roughly. That would be the 1.618 fib extension of the wave A. That would be usually the target of the wave C. So this is what we're looking at here. Unfortunately, it is all still, in my opinion, at the moment, a corrective wave. It might take now a little bit longer, which is what I've always, I wouldn't say expected, but what I was a bit afraid of, that we will get a really, really long and draining wave 4 here, which hopefully doesn't work out. Unfortunately for Bitcoin, it's looking like it's working out that way. Here for Ethereum, it still looks like we could be in an impulsive wave down, a wave 1 down. Here, wave 1 down, that wave 2 to the upside. Yeah, which shouldn't get above $2,023. Otherwise, it will be invalidated. And then another move down, and that move down here would be quite powerful. That would get into the region around 1,500 or 1,500, 1,600 US dollars, before we then see a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. So at the moment, unfortunately, it is a bit unclear. Yeah, we need to wait here for clear signals. A really clear signal to the downside would be a move below $1,700. Yeah, that would be absolutely a clear signal. Already a move below the swing low here of $1,784 would indicate that we go down again. And to the upside very clearly here. First of all, we have resistance here at 1,933, but more important is that 2,023 US dollar level, which would invalidate that impulsive wave down. So at the moment, no change in expectations, but I'm observing this very clearly and not very clearly, but very, very closely at the moment. And of course, if anything changes here in the chart, I will update you. I will keep you updated. So hopefully you liked the update about ETH. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.